The bumper's coming off. I'm going to show you how. Do I have to show you how to pop the hood? No. Rod there. I'm listening to my podcast. So I already started digging around, and it seems like this bumper's been taken off once before. This was unclipped. So I unclipped the second one, which is this one. Now we gotta get this one off, along with, I'm sure, that one, probably that one, that one, that one, that one. I don't think you need to take these off, but we will see. Let's see. Put them in a safe place. Starting. So, we gotta get this one out. Look, bare hands. Arr! Take this one out. You thought I was gonna say it again, didn't you? Haha. Okay, I didn't pause it, but I didn't waste that much time. I got 5 so far, and I think there's one's in the corner. Let's start pulling this one out and see what we need to do to get the whole bumper out. Look at these tiny little things. Idiotic. Gotta pull the centers out. That's what you gotta do. This is how I can tell someone's already been here. See how it's already chewed up? So, pop the center out. 2 hands, please. So it seems like only one of the corners, because it goes into this white clip. There's another one there I took out, just in case. Let's go get the other ones. Uh-oh, she's shaking. She's shaking. Let's get up and get this. Looks to sound like gunshots. Just pull. We're gonna pull this out, you see? They sound like they're going to break, but with 2 hands, this whole thing was about to come off. So, let's get it ready. Okay, mostly all clips. Clip, clip, clip. And they're all going to align properly. So, see it's starting to pop off. Let's get this one and get her on the ground. I'm not taking a flight risk in unplugging that because the battery's still on. But you get the idea. Whole bumper's off. Like that? Good. So do I. So, like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.